welcome to Elite Cars. Today we're diving into the future of high-performance supercars with a first look at the 2025 Lamborghini Temerario. This isn't just another car, it's a revolution in the world of luxury automobiles. Stick around, because you won't want to miss a single detail about this beast. The Lamborghini Temerario is set to replace the iconic Huracan, and it's bringing some groundbreaking changes. First up, let's talk about the powertrain. Lamborghini is embracing hybrid technology in a big way. The Temerario will feature a twin-turbo V8 engine paired with not one, not two, but three electric motors. This hybrid setup promises to deliver an insane amount of power and efficiency, marking Lamborghini's bold step into a sustainable future without compromising on performance. What's truly fascinating is that this V8 engine isn't just a rehash of what we've seen before. It's a high-revving marvel, distinct from the Urus's 4.0-liter unit, designed specifically to push the boundaries of what a supercar can do. Imagine the roar of that engine combined with the instantaneous torque from the electric motors. Goosebumps, right? The Temerario is also breaking new ground with its platform. Lamborghini has decided to go solo, developing a bespoke platform that's unique to this model. This allows for greater innovation and customization, ensuring that the driving experience is pure Lamborghini, unrivaled and exhilarating. Visually, the Temerario is a masterpiece. Drawing inspiration from the Lamborghini Revuelto, it features aggressive lines and a bold silhouette that screams speed and power. The design is a perfect blend of Lamborghini's iconic style and futuristic elements, making it a head-turner on any street. Now, before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And drop a comment below, what do you think about Lamborghini's shift to hybrid technology? We love hearing your thoughts. Back to the Temerario, its name, which means reckless in Spanish, truly encapsulates the spirit of this car. It's about pushing boundaries and breaking norms, exactly what Lamborghini is known for. This car isn't just about speed, it's about redefining what a supercar can be in the modern era. Expected to debut in the summer of 2024, the anticipation is palpable. Car enthusiasts and Lamborghini fans alike are eagerly waiting to see this marvel in action. The Temerario promises to set new benchmarks for performance, design and innovation. So, what can we expect when this car finally hits the streets? Unmatched performance, cutting-edge technology, and a driving experience that's out of this world. The 2025 Lamborghini Temerario isn't just a successor to the Huracan, it's a leap into the future of supercars. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow car lovers. And remember to subscribe for more exciting updates and reviews. See you in the next video.